The ITER project, a €20 billion experiment in sustainable energy. I can't believe the future of sustainable energy hinges on an experiment with a €20 billion price tag. The ITER project is hailed as the breakthrough for nuclear fusion, but it now faces delays and mounting costs. There's also an ethical dilemma with resource-rich African nations. Imagine this: cobalt from the DRC, copper from Zambia, and lithium from Zimbabwe. All are critical to this international endeavor. But here's the kicker: no African country is involved in the project, despite their land providing the essential materials. From cobalt in the Democratic Republic of Congo, crucial for ITER's superconducting magnets, to uranium from Niger, powering the broader nuclear industry. African nations supply the backbone of this dream. Yet, while the EU, China, and Japan are heavily invested in fusion research, Africa remains on the sidelines. They are exploited but not included. Countries like Niger and DRC have uranium resources, but any nuclear energy development is subject to strict international regulations and oversight by entities like the IAEA. Many African countries also align with international treaties like the Non-Proliferation Treaty, impacting nuclear development policies. Africa faces hurdles too. From strict international regulations to financial burdens, the continent's chance to dive into nuclear fusion seems bleak. But consider this: would African nations even want to venture into a costly nuclear race? Especially when they face pressing needs for immediate, sustainable energy solutions? Now let's look at the human cost. In countries like the DRC, mining cobalt often involves dangerous, unethical labor conditions, and the environmental degradation from lithium and rare earth mining in Zimbabwe and Malawi further erodes local ecosystems. Is it fair for these countries to suffer while global powers chase fusion's promise?